In this episode, I'm going to be doing a tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. I'm going to share with you some of the items that I pulled out to use in my Tablescape Tuesday Father's Day edition. Now this is a no-spin tablescape. Everything was already in my stash. Now this collaboration is hosted by Anna at the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor and Courtney at Amethyst Adventures, and I am their guest host for this Tablescape Tuesday, and I am Stephanie at CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now all they asked us to do was to decorate a tablescape for Father's Day, and I hope you enjoy what I'm doing, and I will step back and let you enjoy. Now here is my table. Now the pillow covers came from Amazon. The wine glasses were thrifted, and I thought they were pretty to use because they have the silver, gold, and the copper on them. The leather placemats came from Amazon along with the napkin rings. The wooden chargers came from the Dollar Tree. The cream color plates were thrifted, and so were the different shades or different styles of dessert plates. They were thrifted. The napkins, the table runner, they all came from the tablecloths factory. And the copper flatware came from Walmart. The eucalyptus runner or garland came from Amazon, and the gold, copper, brown, and silver beaded garland was thrifted. The wooden riser was from Hobby Lobby years ago. The place markers, they are small frame from the Dollar Tree. And the 3 vases on the centerpiece, I borrowed those from my mom. And the brown flowers or sticks, however you want to call them, sticking out of the vases, I purchased those years ago, and I think they came from Hobby Lobby. So everything on this table I already had. As I said, it's a no spin. So let me know what you think about my Father's Day tablescape down below. You know I love reading your comments. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.